Hi everyone, welcome to another video announcement. Hope you are all having a good week. As you know, this week we have been focusing on another career assessment called the SIGI 3. So hopefully you have all taken that by now, and don't forget you need to be posting your primary post on that topic by the end of this evening. Along with the assessment results from your SIGI 3 test, I did also ask you to look at another one for multiple intelligences, and then talk about the overlap or ways that you are seeing themes develop in all of these tests that we've been taking about your personality, strengths, and areas that you are skilled in. Hopefully you have found these tests helpful, as we will use them as we move forward with goal setting in the next module. At the end of this module, section 1, there are some workshops that I encourage you to go through. Each one is about 25 minutes, and they go through basic parts of the career process, finding the career that's right for you, becoming employable, and some other information as well. If you already know the career you want to head into, and or you're not looking to head into a career at all, you may not have to watch all of those, but there is a total of 7 workshops that you might be interested in, and they're all online through the Career Center. So you'll see information about that in the module folder. Coming up in module 2, section 2, which starts tomorrow, we're going to be talking about goal setting. Now that we know a little bit about ourselves, what we're good at, why we're good at some of the things we do, and some areas that we struggle in, we want to think about goals that we can set, both an overall goal and learning goals that will help us become the kind of person we want to be by the time we graduate. I think the first step, of course, is to know yourself, but once you know yourself a little, think about what kind of goal you would like. Would you like a goal that features the strengths that you already have, or would a goal be more appropriate for you to work on those areas that aren't as strong and to make those stronger by the time you graduate? Either type of goal is perfectly good. It depends on what you want to achieve. So we're hoping that these tests have made you think a little bit about yourself, and then how that can be applied to what you want to know or understand by the time you graduate. Of course, the courses you choose will be important, but if you do not have goals set first, you won't know which courses to choose. So this week we're going to work on writing SMART goals. SMART goal is a goal that is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. And usually a one-sentence goal that has all 5 of those aspects in it is a good SMART goal. So, for example, you may have a goal that you want to graduate with an MDS degree. That goal is not as smart as it could be. For example, what can you be more specific? What skills or knowledge do you want to have by the time you graduate? Make those into a goal. How long will it take you to reach that graduation point? That can be the time-bound part of the goal. How will you know when you have met those specific parts of the goal? For example, if you want to have accounting skills as part of your goal, what courses would you take that would help you gain those goals and help you measure how well you're succeeding in learning that skill? So all of those things can be taken into account as you write a SMART goal. We're going to do a brainstorming activity on the discussion board where we will actually create a visual map of our goals, and then we're going to transfer that into a Word document by the end of next module that you'll submit. That would have one overall goal, the goal that you aspire to by the time you graduate. Maybe it is a career goal, maybe it's a goal of a certain type of expertise or knowledge. And then your learning goals would be goals that can help you reach that overall goal. For example, if your overall goal was to start a business, what types of skills or knowledge would you need to make that reality? Maybe accounting skills, perhaps leadership or communication skills. So those could be the learning goals that you set. And all four of those goals that I mentioned do need to be SMART goals. Of course, we don't expect that you will have all of that figured out in this first assignment, but we do want you to make an attempt at that, and then we will revise those. You'll get some feedback on that, and we'll move ahead from there. So if you have any questions about any of that, please let your section instructor know. I thank you for the discussion board posts already for this week on the SIGI 3 results and the multiple intelligence results that you've posted. Very interesting, and I look forward to reading more as they come in. But again, if you have any questions about any of your content, please let one of us know. And if we don't hear from you, we will definitely see you online. Thanks.